Hi guys, welcome back to Spotaria channel. So in this video, I'll show you how to enable touchscreen home button on iPhone. If you are a rampant iPhone user like me and have worn out your poor home button, then I have a solution for you. You can add a little accessibility button, assistive touch, on the touch screen that can be used instead of your home button to stop you from jabbing at your phone every time you'd like to return to the main screen. But before you continue this video, I hope you like, comment, and subscribe to support this channel, and don't forget to hit the notifications bell. So without any further ado, let's get started. First step, you have to go to the settings on your phone, tap it, and then scroll it down until you find accessibility and tap on it. Then you have to tap touch here, and when you find assistive touch, tap it. After that, select assistive touch to turn it on. Then use Hey Siri to say turn on assistive touch. In the accessibility page, you have to scroll it down until you find accessibility shortcut. Tap it and select assistive touch. Then a little movable button will appear on your screen when you turn on assistive touch, and you can drag it into any edge of the screen to use this. So guys, thanks for watching this video. I'll see you soon on the next one, and good luck.